If you ever smoke again, you're going to jail for a long time. You understand? I am also making it a condition that you get a job. Go to Amazon. All you need is one leg and a partial heartbeat to get a job at Amazon.
This is classic courtroom leverage. The judge isn't just angry, he's tying freedom directly to responsibility. Job, sobriety, child support. Miss any one of them, and jail becomes the default.
Get a job, or you will stay with me. Do you understand? Start paying child support, or you will stay with me.
Say what I can.
That's not good enough. What you can means nothing. That baby still needs to eat, not when it can eat. It eats 3 times a day, Mr. Espinoza. Correct. Where is he now? Yeah, we need to talk because I was going to revoke his bond because he tested positive. So, I think that, guys, do you mind? Hey, Pavel, you mind, guys, stepping so I can come up, Mr. Espinoza.
I talked to him briefly about the drug test. He said he should be good in the next couple of weeks.
No, he told me the last time, yesterday, in fact, that he had smoked like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Isn't that right? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When was the last time you smoked dope? No, I want a date because I'm going to test you.
Here's the legal danger zone. Once a judge gives a direct order, any violation isn't just a mistake, it's contempt of court. That turns a drug issue into a jail issue fast.
And I want to know because I asked you yesterday to be honest with me. And if you test positive, I'm going to put you in jail. You told me that you had done it a couple weeks ago. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because of your arrest was a couple weeks ago. But I want to know because I ordered you to stop smoking dope. And if you did while you're on bond, you're going to stay with me. So I want a date. You'd get with Kavita. I want to know because within the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I'm going to test you. If you test positive, you'll end up staying with me. So talk to Kavita and let me know.
Thank you, Judge.
My case was actually over a month ago, and
We'll talk about it.
All right,
And that's a bad thing for you. Mr. Espinoza, I would get back into school so you could learn something. Because right now, you ain't got no knowledge.
It's
Tell me.
449-9562.
Talking about homeboy?
Yes, we're still waiting on a writ, it looks like, from the state. And he's gonna need probably at least 30 days to pass the drug test, considering it's been a week or so.
When was the last time you smoked weed?
Last week.
Come on.
That repetition isn't accidental. Judges repeat themselves when they want zero excuses later. This is the warning that shows up in the arrest report when bond gets revoked.
Come on. Did you get a day?
Exact date, but about a week ago, Judge.
I'm going to end up picking a date if you can't give me one. If you can't give her a good date, I'm going to pick one for you. The last time you smoked weed. And let me make something abundantly clear to you. If you ever smoke again, you're going to jail for a long time. You understand? I am also making it a condition that you get a job. Go to Amazon. All you need is one leg and a partial heartbeat to get a job at Amazon. Get a job, or you will stay with me. Do you understand? Start paying child support, or you will stay with me.
say what I can.
That's not good enough. What you can means nothing. That baby still needs to eat, not when it can eat. It eats 3 times a day, Mr. Espinoza.
Hey,
get a job. So, what date are we coming back for him to take a drug test? A week ago, I guess he said, right? So, today's the 23rd, so let's just assume, I guess that's the 16th.
Probably May 16th would be fine, Judge. That's a Thursday.
Notice how short the leash is now. 2 weeks isn't about finding a career, it's about proving effort. Courts punish inaction just as hard as bad behavior.
Kavita, what day did you say?
May 16th? Unless you want to do like a 2.
1, 2.
And I'm hoping that we can get this case resolved.
I will give you that day. Any day that you ask. You are going to come here on May 16th to take a drug test. Your butt better be clear, because if it's not, it ain't gonna go well for you, just knows. I'm also gonna have you come back in 2 weeks to prove to me what you've done to get a job. If you've done nothing from now to the next 2 weeks, say bye-bye. Take a seat.
Ask you a question?
You'll talk to me out there.
To prove that I'm actively looking for a job, can I like show me applying and?
You can give that to me.
Okay.
got pizza hut
Lita, she can help you, but I'm telling you, go to Amazon. They hire just about anyone. If you put your heart into it, you can do damn near anything, Mr. Espinoza. That's all it takes is a little willpower and a little go-getter attitude. That's all it takes. I'm not asking you to split the atom. Kingsford Ayibo. Good morning, sir.
This is escalation. No more personal recognizance means cash bonds, stricter monitoring, or straight jail time. The court is officially done giving chances.
You were charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you.
Officer dispatched to a disturbance call. Officer met with the complainant who was married to the now defendant. The defendant had been drinking in the evening and started an argument with the complainant, and while complainant was sitting in a chair, he pushed the complainant and scratched her arm, causing pain. Officer noted the complainant had a small cut on her arm.
Mr. Ayibo, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you consume alcohol or dope, you will go to jail. You will not get more PR bonds. Do you understand?
No problem, Judge.
Okay. Do we know if she wants to have contact with him?
No, we haven't had successful contact yet. There was one attempt about a week ago.
Okay. I don't know if she wants to have contact with you, so until I know that she wants to talk to you, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with her. I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of weapons. It looks like they didn't do a MOAB. So I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Victoria Ayibo as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand? If you violate this court order, the state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you, and that's one of the worst cases that you can pick up. Tell me, what do you do for a living, sir?
Warehouse lead, civil logistics.
How much money do you make a month?
Well, it depends because right now our hours are so now, so we're making 35 hours. So I'm going home with $560 a week.
So you make around, give or take, $2,000 a month.
Yes.
Do you have any children?
No.
Can you afford a lawyer, sir?
At this time, because
Let's do this. I want you to go out there. I want you to start looking. There's a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. It's a matter of you getting one, like buying a car. You don't go to a Ferrari dealership when you first start buying a car. Same thing with a lawyer. You go to one, you find one within your price range, negotiate with them. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan if you ask. Negotiate with them. Don't take them at first blush. If they say no, go to the next one. If you have any issues, just come back and talk to me and then we can go further. All right?
one question, my wife, I'm the one who take care of it. She don't want to work, so the bills, I'm the one paying everything. So
For now, until I know that she wants to have contact with you, I just don't want it, I don't want it to happen. I will have them later on reach out to her to see if there's contact. Also, when you have a lawyer, the lawyer can come and approach and then we can talk about modifying the conditions. But I want to honor her wishes. That's my first concern. And I don't know what she wants to do with you. Okay? So for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while I get your bond conditions. I'll have you sign it, and then you'll be free to go. All right?
Right this way. Counsel, do you have an
Hey, Judge, how are you?
Hey, bud. What's up?
Hey, I just have this case today, so I'm jumping on, but we already took care of my Alexis Kidder, right? Okay. So, my other case is Brittany Gillardoni. She is in custody. I don't see that a rip call has been done, but I believe she's on probation. So I don't know.
Greg, what was the last name again?
Gillardoni.
I have a Gilladon.
She's got an alias.
It's Gillardoni.
But yeah, she has an alias of Gilladon as well. It's
Oh yeah, that's the AK. We have the AK.
So she's on probation for felon in possession, possession less than a gram, and now she's picked up an assault.
yes.
The bond, our bond is set at $2,500. I don't know if she's made bond on the felony cases.
Wait.
Oh, she's got quite the history, man. Tell me, what do you want?
I was just waiting to see what felony's doing. I mean, the rip call hadn't been done, so they haven't made a rec, which I understand, but
The next setting date for the felony is 2/27 of 24, so that tells me they haven't done anything. She probably hasn't even made it up. Let's see if they've even filed a motion to revoke. It may be just
She attempted once, but she hasn't called back.
Hey, look, they filed a motion to adjudicate in February of this year already once. They had another one in December.
They haven't filed it yet. The last one was in 2/27 for the last revocation, but her bond is still technically set at 10,000 for the one back in February. So I imagine they're going to do it sometime soon.
Yeah, it's your third time, Greg, so
do I do like a 2-week reset, Judge?
yeah, I guess we'll do that.
Okay.
We need to probably do conditions though, because I don't know if she's gonna get out.
This one,
Because that's a low bond, and if she makes our bond, you know, I might.
and she's had 2 fugitive cases in in this court.
Yeah, do you mind bringing her up, please? So Dave, let's do PC real quick, huh? When she gets out here.
Yeah, Judge, sorry, I jumped on Zoom because it's my only case today. That and the fugitive.
Get you out of here quick, man.
Yeah, no worries. I'm not, that's why I didn't come down there, so.
Okay. Good morning, Ms. Gillardoni.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
How's jail? I guess we're not getting your attention. Come on up to the bar. I guess we're still not getting your attention.
Yes, sir.
So you now stand charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Counselors, keep it down, please.
We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Just so you know, you're not here alone. Look on the screen up there. That's Greg. He's been
Home confinement with GPS is jail without bars. Every movement is tracked, every mistake is logged, and one violation sends you right back in cuffs.
appointed to represent you. So you do have a lawyer with you today.
On April 6th, officer was flagged by the complainant who stated that the now defendant was walking on the north side of the street. The complainant stated that she was walking with a male friend when the now defendant came from behind and began a conversation with the male. Complainant stated she didn't know the defendant, and complainant stated that her male friend left and the defendant turned to complainant and stated, quote, "I'm going to drag you down the street," end quote. They got into a verbal altercation where the defendant grabbed the complainant by the hair, threw her to the ground and drug her on the concrete floor, then stomped on her head once. Complainant stated she felt pain, had a not an early bruise forming on the left side of her head that the officer was able to observe, and an abrasion to her left knee that was bleeding.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I don't know if you're going to get out, but if you do, I'm ordering you under home confinement. You are not allowed out for any reason. Do you understand? I'm also going to put a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times. I'm ordering you not to be in possession of weapons and not to have contact with any of the complaining witnesses.
That's all I do for this country. Yes, sir. Thank you. And the nation, matter of fact.
You're done.
I
You're
appreciate
done.
that,
You're
sir.
done.
Thank you.
You're done. It's done.
No, something.
I'm there, Your Honor.
Hey, Judge, what was that?
Gilardoni.
You might be on your own.
Gilardoni with a G. So you want to go ahead and have her evaluated, Greg?
Yeah, I can do that.
Can't hurt.
Let me make a note. I'll do the paperwork tomorrow when I'm down there. Do you want to do a longer reset then, Judge, if I file the...
You have to do 30 days. Yeah,
So let's do like 31 since I'm going to file it tomorrow, 31 or 32?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll be honest, I don't know if a $2,500 bond is sufficient, man.
I don't know that she'll make it.
Higher.
She was on docket last time, so I don't know that she'll make it, Your Honor.
Okay.
Because she's been there, I think, a week. So,
Yeah, you ready? We have another rain.
okay. Thank you, Judge.